Three ways on how to live your dream life. Hi, I'm Natasha Advani, an intuitive energy alchemist. It's very important when we want to create our dream life, we have to see what are the things we are content with and what are the things we are discontent with. Because we are very clear about the things we are content with, but we are not very clear and specific about the things we are discontent with. Because it's very important to be aware of what you are content and discontent with. So it's you have to be very specific on what you want, to create your dream life. I ask a lot of people, what would you like to desire, what would you create your dream life as? And people are very vague, they are not specific on what they want to do, what actually do they want to do, how they want to go about it. Just by saying it, it's not going to happen. You have to work very clearly on yourself. You have to work on, okay, this is the dream life I have to desire. Experiment. Sometimes we have to experiment, that okay, does this what I do I really want this, and is it really expanding my life, or is it something else I want? So experiment with yourself. Initially you will get confused, you won't know what to do. Sometimes you feel this is the life, but after you write down, you'll be like, oh, it's not expansive for me. Because see, every person is different, every individual is different. So every person will want a different thing. Not necessary that if you want a certain type of life, another person will want that life. So pay attention. So do this, pay attention to the discontent which is happening, the struggle which is happening inside you. Align yourself, focus. Is this what I really want? Is it expanding my life? Am I feeling happy about it? So these are all inner techniques which are very, very powerful, and it will help you, to work on yourself, work on your subconscious mind. Because sometimes the subconscious mind doesn't understand between fake and real. They say fake it before you make it. It works, it really works. So first is work on yourself, then be specific on what you want yourself. Be aware of the discontent which is within you, and then start writing down that, after writing your goals, is this really making me happy, or these are someone else's goals. Sometimes I do goals with people. I have this manifestation workshop where I realized that, oh, actually I don't know if I really wanted it. My friend wanted it, or this other person who I knew wanted it. So when you start really self-reflecting on the dream life you want, you will create the dream life you want. And I have my workshops also happening. So you could, if you're interested, you can email me on natashalifecoach1@gmail.com. Hello everybody, this is Natasha Advani, an intuitive energy alchemist. I have won various awards, I've come in newspapers, I've given workshops to big fortune companies, and I've also given to colleges and schools. So you can see what shows up for you. You're most welcome to email me if you want to do the workshop, and subscribe for my YouTube channel. I have lots of videos. Follow me on Instagram, and please share this video with your family and friends. And I have written this book, From Mess to Mesmerize, which will help you to create the life you desire. So you can click on the link below and purchase it. And looking forward of seeing you someday somewhere for my workshop. And now I'm giving online workshops also, so if you all are interested, you can sign up. Thank you.